I have made my final decision, and it is final, and it will not be changed. That decision is that I will be a candidate for my 8th consecutive term as Williamson County State's Attorney. I just want to say briefly, it's been an honor and a privilege for these last 26 years to serve the people of Williamson County. It's a job that I always wanted to do since I was in college, and there aren't that many people in life who get to do what they really love to do. It's really not a chore for me to come into work each morning. I look forward to it because I know there's always going to be something going on, something interesting, exciting, something challenging. I've been blessed over the years to have had an outstanding staff. So those people who've worked for me in the past and those who work for me in the present, I really appreciate what they have all done for me. And it's nice to know you have those type of people behind you, so that when I get a day off or get a chance to go on vacation, I don't worry at all because the people behind me are so good that I just don't have to worry about it. I make no promises during this campaign. The only promise that I will make is that what you have seen and heard from me in the last 26 years is what you will get from me in the next 4 years. So I hope that the people of the county will feel that I've done the best I could. I try hard every day. Try to be fair. I've always said there's only one set of law books. There's not a set of books for Democrats and a set of books for Republicans. There's one set of laws, and I try to apply those fairly and equally to every person, no matter what their party affiliation or what their status in life. So that's basically all I have to say.
9 years ago, in 3 or 4 months, we all stood here when I was appointed state representative in this very spot, and the state's attorney, Chuck Garnati, was instrumental in that taking place that day. And I've always appreciated that, and I've never forgotten it. So I'm proud to stand here with him today as he announces his re-election on his 8th term. And as Lincoln said about Grant, we can't spare this man, he fights. And we have a fighter, we have an advocate. In the words of my former law partner, he's the greatest state's attorney that Williamson County has ever had. And that was Republican J.C. Mitchell who said that. And I don't think that's changed in the last several years. So we need Chuck Garnati fighting for us. We need him to finish those 9 murder cases that he's currently working on and to continue to keep our county safe. And I'm proud to stand here and wholeheartedly endorse him for state's attorney.
I'm proud to be here too, stand up here with Chuck. You know, one thing about Williamson County, if you're a candidate, you don't want Chuck against you. I'll tell you that right now. Everybody trusts this guy. Everybody knows him. I tell you what, I will go any place in the state of Illinois. There's not a state's attorney in the state of Illinois that's been there 26 years that's more like than Chuck is. I don't care where it is. Chuck, you're probably the best state's attorney in the whole state. And I really believe that because I hear all kinds of war stories and everything on state's attorneys about, you're always making somebody mad when you're a state attorney. See Mike Chuck comes out of that, he got away, people understand, and he's done a great job, and I'm proud of his thing.
About a year ago, I did have a couple of minor health problems, and this job is challenging. It's physically, mentally, and emotionally demanding. If you've never done a murder trial, I think that there was an article in the Southern a couple of 2 or 3 weeks ago that called doing the first degree murder trial is a game of high stakes poker, where one mistake, one word said at the wrong time or in the wrong way can lose a case. So, you have to be totally on top of your game. And anything I've ever done, I've done 110%. And I did not want to be in this job if I couldn't give 110%. Over the last 6 months, I've gotten those minor problems straightened out. Cindy has me eating the right food. She even makes me walk most days. So I'm really feeling better. And I felt that the murder trial I did in July and the one I just got finished with, for me, that was kind of a test to see if I could withstand the stress and the pressure. For me, I felt I came through those with flying colors, and it physically did not bother me at all. So I'm standing here today positive in my mind that I can give 110% to the people of Williamson County, and that's exactly what they deserve.